The 2024 Dodge Charger is here, but the Hemi V8 has been replaced with a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six and, yes, battery power in the electric Daytona models. They're sure to be less expensive than the EVs, and though it's a shame they're not V8. The base machines are badged Charger SixPack SO. It produced a 420 horsepower version of the 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six. Dodge says outperforms the 5.7-liter Hemi V8, which made 375 horsepower. Meanwhile, the 550 horsepower Charger SixPack HO replaces the old 6.4-liter Hemi V8. The Charger's interior is decidedly digital, but it doesn't lack analog-style swagger. The driver gets a standard 10.25-inch digital screen or an optional 16-inch unit, working with a 12.3-inch center screen. The lines of the dashboard evoke those from the 1968 Charger, with a pistol grip shift handle holding station in the center console. Pricing information isn't available yet, and there's a lot we still haven't seen of this new Charger, and even if it feels wrong without a Hemi, Dodge performance is all but dead.